bar almost. Barron, Richards, great little run. What can he do here? Stands it up to the back post. Lee with a header. Haynes in. Goal for Ipswich, and that looks like the winner. Johnny Haynes, the 18-year-old, may well have given Ipswich Town the points.
Match 16 minutes later, as one of their promising young players, Danny Haynes, made a speedy impact after coming off the substitutes bench.
Ipswich just needed to take a bit more care in the final third, and they finally killed the game
from China, try to steal your mind's elation. A little girl from Sweden dream of silver screen quotation. And if you want these kind of dreams, it's Californication. It's the edge of the world in all of Western civilization. The sun may rise in the east, at least it's settled in a final location. It's understood that Hollywood sells Californication.